Are you confused about either and neither? Don't worry, you're not alone. But by the end of this video, you'll never mix them up again. Let's break it down. First, either is used when you have two options and you're choosing one. Now, neither means not one, not the other, zero choices. Example: you can go through either door, left or right. One of the two. I was going to eat pizza or pasta, but neither was available. So I ate nothing. Alex: so, what do you want to drink? Coffee or tea?
Jamie: I don't like either coffee or tea. Maybe just water.
Alex: all right. Do you want cake or ice cream?
Jamie: either one is fine. I love desserts.
Alex: well, I can't decide either. Should we just get both?
Jamie: that sounds like a great plan.
You can have either cake or ice cream.
You can have either cake or ice cream.
Either you study or you fail the test.
Either you study or you fail the test.
Neither Tom nor Jerry came to the party.
Neither Tom nor Jerry came to the party.
I like neither coffee nor tea.
I like neither coffee nor tea.
I can sit on either chair.
I can sit on either chair.
You may choose either red or blue.
You may choose either red or blue.
Either path will take you to the castle.
Either path will take you to the castle.
We can visit either London or Paris.
We can visit either London or Paris.
I don't like either option.
I don't like either option.
Neither book was interesting.
Neither book was interesting.
Neither of the answers is correct.
Neither of the answers is correct.
Neither road leads to the lake.
Neither road leads to the lake.
Neither of us wants to cook dinner.
Neither of us wants to cook dinner.
Either you call her or I will.
Either you call her or I will.
The movie will be available in either English or Spanish.
The movie will be available in either English or Spanish.
You can either take the bus or walk home.
You can either take the bus or walk home.
She will wear either a dress or jeans.
She will wear either a dress or jeans.
You can either stay or leave.
You can either stay or leave.
He didn't like either movie.
He didn't like either movie.
Either cat can sit on my lap.
Either cat can sit on my lap.
Neither dress fits me.
Neither dress fits me.
Neither dog likes water.
Neither dog likes water.
Neither of the phones is working.
Neither of the phones is working.
Neither team scored a goal.
Neither team scored a goal.
Neither child wanted to go to bed early.
Neither child wanted to go to bed early.
You can eat either apple.
You can eat either apple.
Either team can win the game.
Either team can win the game.
I can either play video games or read a book.
I can either play video games or read a book.
Either way, we will reach the destination.
Either way, we will reach the destination.
Either jacket will keep you warm.
Either jacket will keep you warm.
You can either call me or send a message.
You can either call me or send a message.
Neither restaurant was open.
Neither restaurant was open.
Neither of my friends could help me.
Neither of my friends could help me.
Neither car had gas.
Neither car had gas.
Neither option is good.
Neither option is good.
Neither player knew the answer.
Neither player knew the answer.
Neither jacket is warm enough.
Neither jacket is warm enough.
Neither of my parents is at home.
Neither of my parents is at home.
Neither movie was funny.
Neither movie was funny.
Either dog can be adopted.
Either dog can be adopted.
I will buy either the blue or the black shirt.
I will buy either the blue or the black shirt.
Either book is interesting.
Either book is interesting.
She could go by either train or bus.
She could go by either train or bus.
You can sit in either front or back.
You can sit in either front or back. So, whether it's either cake or ice cream, or neither tea nor coffee, making choices can be fun. Hope you enjoyed this little lesson. What's a tough choice you've had to make? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.